Are you looking to break into the exciting world of data analytics? This roadmap will guide you step by step toward becoming a skilled and in-demand data analyst. Whether you're just starting out or planning to advance, I'll show you the essential skills, tools, and techniques you need to succeed. Let's dive in. Mathematics and statistics. Don't worry, you don't need a PhD in math to be a great data analyst. Focus on these essentials. Mathematics. Learn basic concepts like standard deviation, linear equations, and matrix operations to understand data structures and trends. Statistics. Master the fundamentals like mean, variance, probability distributions, and regression. These are the tools you'll use to find patterns and make predictions. These skills aren't just technical, they're your key to unlocking the hidden stories in data. Keep it simple, practical, and focused. The tech side of data analysis. Data analysts work at the intersection of tools and technology. Let's break it down into two main areas. 1. Required tech tools and skills. Programming languages. Start with Python, R, or SQL, the two most widely used tools in data analysis. Visualization tools. Learn tools like Tableau and Power BI to present your data visually. Microsoft Excel. This classic tool remains essential for quick data wrangling and analysis. 2. Non-tech skills. Domain knowledge. Understanding the industry you're analyzing helps you apply the right tools and methods. Problem solving. Be ready to troubleshoot and solve issues with innovative approaches. Dashboarding. Learn to create dashboards to organize, visualize, and interpret your data insights. Future scope of data analysts. An exciting horizon. Let's talk about the future. Why should you pursue this career? Simple, data is everywhere. Every day, billions of companies generate data, using it to make decisions that shape the future. As the world continues to rely on data, the demand for skilled analysts is skyrocketing. By 2030, the data analytics industry is projected to surpass $650 billion, growing at a rate of over 13% annually. This makes data analysis one of the fastest growing and most stable career paths globally. Data analysis is more than just a job. It's a career that puts you at the center of innovation and decision-making. Mastering the essentials of mathematics, statistics, and the right tools opens doors to endless opportunities. And remember, this is a journey. Start small, take one step at a time, and keep learning. Whether you're analyzing datasets to improve business outcomes or visualizing trends to make sense of the world, as a data analyst, you have the power to turn raw numbers into actionable insights. So, are you ready to transform your career and become a data analyst? The future is waiting for you to take the first step. Let's get started.